Alright, today I'm going to teach you guys how to do the dance that has been going viral lately, and it's Blue Ivy dancing to Beyonce's song, My Power. And this is going to be a beginner-friendly tutorial, and I'm going to break it down step by step so that you guys can follow along. Alright, starting off mini section 1, let me just show you a quick preview. It goes like this. Wah, 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 and a wah, wah, wah. Now let me break it down for you. So basically what you want to do is just take a step out with your right, whoop, bring it back in, up, down, left goes out to the left, in, up, down. Pretty simple, right? So when you do it a bit faster, it's going to look like this. Boom, boom, up, and now boom, boom, up, and. Alright, let me show it from the side as well. So, right goes out, in, up, left goes out, in, up. Now, if you look closely at Blue Ivy's dance performance versus the dances are exaggerating a lot more, alright? I like Blue Ivy's subtle motions, I'm just going to teach that. But of course, you can always exaggerate more if you want to, alright? Alright, let's just try to practice that a few times. So I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to go right, in, up, and left, in, up, and 5, 6, 7, 8, right, in, up, and left, in, up, and one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, in, up, and left, in, up, and. Alright, let's do the arms. So the arms, basically just following your legs. So you want to do like this, to the right, when you step up with your right, and then you want to bring them back in, and then you want to push them up. Your arms are going up. Alright, so I'm rolling my wrist like this. I'm just going to show it from a different angle here. Woo! Alright, so bring it up. Bring it up. Alright, so boom, and up, and then to the left side, in, up, and. Pretty simple, right? So boom, in, up, and boom, in, up, and. Alright? And the timing is, it goes 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So let's try and practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Alright, moving on to mini section 2. Let me show you a quick preview. This was end of 1. 2 goes boom, 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 hey. Now let me break it down for you. So, this was end of 1. Now 2 goes just the footwork. I think it's easier if I show you from the side. I want to go tap here on my heel, back, tap, back, tap, back. And I'm starting on my right, alright? So let me just show it to the front again. Right, and left, and right, and. Okay? Let me show it from the side again. I'm doing right, and left, and right, and. Alright, so most of my weight is on the back leg. Here I'm just tapping, touching lightly with my heel here. Boop, 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 boop. Now the arms are just saying shake, 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 shake while I'm doing this. Alright? So let me just show it from a different angle here. I'm just doing shake, 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 shake. Alright? So when I do it a bit slow with the legs, it's gonna look like this. Shake, shake, shake. Alright? Let me show it from the side. I'm doing shake, shake, shake. Alright, let's try to practice that. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go shake, shake, shake. And then let's try and practice one last time. We just end up with this. Alright, so you just throw your arms up. Alright, and land somewhere here because we're gonna use them again. Okay? So let me just show you what I mean here. I wanna do shake, 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 throw. The timing starts on 5. So you wanna go 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Alright, let's just try and do mini section 1 and 2 together, alright? So let me just recap here. From the tip to top, we did boom and up, and a boom, up, and no, 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 hey. All right, let's try and practice that. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right and up and left and up and no, 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 hey. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right and up, left and up, no, 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 hey. All right, moving on to minute section 3. Let me just show you a quick preview. So right after the end of minute section 2, 3 goes boom, a, boom, boom, a, boom, a. All right, let me break it down for you. Some of you probably noticed that it's similar to minute section 1, and it is. So we're basically just repeating the step again. Whoop, right, in, up, and left, in, but we don't bring it up. We just go from here, yeah. So notice what I did here. This was left, in, and then I took a step to the front here. So I'm standing to the side here, and then I'm gonna bring my arms up like this, and I'm gonna go bum, bum, bum. All right. So actually 2 times before I start doing something else. Okay, and just repeat again. So I did right, in, up, and left, in to the side, side. All right. So as soon as I start at the side, I want to go wham, wham. Okay. So my arms are going whoop, whoop my chest. If you want to, you can exaggerate this move a bit. Okay. So let me just repeat again. Right and up and left into the side. Ha. Okay. Let's just try and practice that just one time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, in, up, and left, into the side, ha. All right, so right after boom, boom, right away, I want to go, let's just do the legs. Left, right, pretty easy, right? Let me show it from the side. Right after this, I'm going left, right. Now the tricky part is to do it with the arms. The arms, I'm keeping my left here, and my right arm is going boom, 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 boom. Don't know what this is. Last thing. So whenever I throw it to the front, I want to take a step with my front leg here. Boom, and then back leg. We're gonna throw it back, and then front, back. Okay. So when I do the whole thing here from the side, so you can see, it's gonna go like this: right and up and left into the side, side step, front, back, front, back. So actually what I think we should practice is just going wah, wah, boom, and boom, and. Now to begin with, if you're having trouble doing both legs and arms, just focus on the legs to begin with and then add the arms after, right? Or vice versa. Okay, so you want to go boom, boom, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, boom, left, right. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, boom, left, right. Now, if you want to exaggerate, you can go boom, boom, hey. All right, let's just recap minute section 3 here. So you want to go right and up and left into the side, left, right. All right, now the timing goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So basically the same tempo, except for this part where we slow it a bit down. Okay. Let's try and practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and then for minute section 4, I think we should just do the poses that come after minute section 3. So it's basically just 3 poses Blue Ivy, she switches it up, so it's never the same three. Like sometimes it's the same, all right? But the ones I've been using is this one, and then this one. Let me show it from the side, like that. And then the last one is this, okay? So again, this one, and then this one, all right? And it goes on the count 1, 5, and 1, all right? So right after mini section 3, which is like womb, womb, A, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, let's just practice one time. You can do your own poses or you can do these, all right? So I'm just gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on 5, there's another part, okay? Let's try and practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guys, let's try and do mini section 1 to 4. I'm just gonna go through the steps again very quickly, and then I'm also gonna explain the timing, and then we're gonna practice. All right, so a quick run through from the tip to the top. It goes step right, in, up, and step left, in, up, and shake, 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 throw up, and then again, right, in, up, and left, in, to the side, side step, left, right, and pose, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let me explain the timing. I'm just gonna show you. All right, so we start on 1, so it goes 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically the timing is basically just every time you count, right? So on half counts, you do something, okay? And then except for the last part when you do step, 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 that is on whole counts, all right? So let's just try to practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try and practice with the poses as well, just one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.